In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a live wallpaper from Pinterest on laptop. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. First, open your web browser and head over to Pinterest.com. The layout may look slightly different depending on your region or whether you're using a personal or work account, but the core features are the same. If Pinterest prompts you to sign in or continue, that's normal. Once you're on the homepage, you're ready to start searching. Look for the search bar at the top of the page. Click inside it and type the phrase live wallpaper. If you already have a theme in mind, you can add keywords like nature, abstract, minimal, or space to narrow the results. Pinterest will load a grid of pins related to your search, and you can scroll to browse until something catches your eye. Take a moment to look at the thumbnail and any small labels, since some pins may be videos or GIFs, while others are static images. When you find a pin you like, click it to open the larger view. This brings up more details and gives you a clearer preview. Here, you can check the image quality and make sure it's the style you want. If the pin is an image, you'll usually see additional options available in the interface. If it's a video, some download options may be limited. Now, look for the three dots icon, often called the More or Overflow menu. It's typically located near the top or upper right of the pin's viewer. Clicking this icon reveals extra actions you can take for that specific pin. This menu is where Pinterest places options that aren't shown by default. From that menu, choose Download Image. Your browser will either save the file automatically to your default downloads folder or ask you where to save it. If you get a prompt, pick a familiar location so you can find it easily later. The file will typically be a JPEG or PNG. If you don't see the download option, it could be because the pin is a video or the creator has restricted downloads. In that case, try selecting a different pin that clearly shows as an image. Once the download finishes, you can open your downloads folder to confirm the file is there and that it looks crisp. As a best practice, respect the creator's rights and any usage notes shared on the pin. That's it. Quick, straightforward, and done. If this was helpful, feel free to repeat the process with different keywords